new chocolate review, and in today's video we are going to review the Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut. This is the original Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut which has been in the market for over a decade right now, and today we are going to review this product because right now in the market we also have the Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Fruit and Nut, and we are going to compare the original Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut to the Silk Fruit and Nut. So guys, starting off with the packaging, it comes in the original Cadbury colors. There is a Cadbury Dairy Milk branding right here, and then there's a Fruit and Nut branding right here. You can see the name of the product, which is Fruit and Nut, and here is a Fruit and a Nut, Fruit and Nut. So the first major difference that I can see here right from the original one and the new Silk Fruit and Nut is, in the original Cadbury Fruit and Nut, we see that there is raisin and almond use, and in the Silk Fruit and Nut, they have used cashew and raisins. So that is the first difference that we can notice on the packaging itself. So they had shown cashew nuts there, here they have shown almonds with raisin. So that is what has been mentioned. Calories per 18 grams of serving is 94, which is 1 calorie lesser than the Silk Fruit and Nut. Moving on to the back side of the pack. Coming to the net weight of the product, this is a 35 gram pack, whereas the Silk was a 55 gram pack, and this 35 gram pack of the original Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut is priced at rupees 45. So rupees 45 for 36 gram is good. Moving on to the ingredients, it is sugar, milk solids, cocoa butter, raisins are 10%. Cocoa solids, almonds are 9%, so it is more richer in nuts and fruits compared to the Silk. Silk had 5% cashew nuts and 9% raisins. This has 9% almonds and 10% raisins, so much richer in the fruit and nuts and in the chocolate here. And the rest is like a normal milk chocolate ingredients here. So let's go ahead and unwrap this chocolate, the original Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut. So we'll just tear it open from here, and here we can see there is no packaging, there's not a second packaging inside. This is directly the chocolate which is there, and it seems to have melted right now. We'll just take two cubes of the chocolate right here. So from the color of it, you can see that there's more milk chocolate in it than Silk, and the chocolate's texture and color is different, much different than the Silk. So here we go with the taste test. Let's see how does the original Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut compare to the Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk Fruit and Nut. The Silk Fruit and Nut is definitely more smoother than the original Cadbury Dairy Milk. The original Dairy Milk chocolate is a bit stickier compared to Silk. Definitely the classic Dairy Milk, Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate has more nuts in it in every bite. And more fruit in it. There's a rich flavor of nuts and fruits in the original Dairy Milk, whereas in the Silk there was more flavor of the chocolate than the fruit and the nut. So overall comparison, I felt that Silk is definitely more premium, has much smoother chocolate, lesser on the nuts and the fruits in it, but the chocolate and the smoothness of the chocolate is much better in the Silk. Whereas the original Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut had more fruits and nuts in it, but the quality of chocolate is a bit lesser than that of Silk. So overall, I'll give the Silk a 5 on 5, while the Cadbury Dairy Milk a 4 on 5. So guys, this was my review about the original Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut. Guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing chocolate reviews.